Nastassja Hammond opens up about her reggae journey. Nastassja Hammond, known in the reggae world as The Wizard, has been making waves as a producer, songwriter, and artist, carrying forward the legacy of her father, reggae icon Beres Hammond. Recently, she's been trending for her candid reflections on her career and her innovative contributions to reggae, particularly through her work with the Courtney John project and her genre-blending, roots-stronic sound. In a recent interview, likely shared via platforms like YouTube or social media, Nastassja opened up about her musical journey, her father's influence, and her vision for pushing reggae into new realms. For the latest on her story and reggae insights, subscribe to our YouTube channel for exclusive content and updates on Nastassja's groundbreaking work. Born on April 10, 1987, in Jamaica, Nastassja grew up immersed in music, surrounded by her father's soulful lovers rock and a rich collection of American soul and jazz. As she shared in a 2013 United Reggae interview, her passion for music sparked early. She was beating on lunch kits as a makeshift drum by age 6 and harmonizing instinctively. The family's home studio became her playground, cementing her love for production. "Once we got a home studio, it was a wrap," she said, describing how she knew music was her calling. Despite her father's fame, Nastassja carved her own path, embracing a behind-the-scenes role as a producer, a rarity for women in reggae. Her nickname, The Wizard, coined by her cousin Courtney John, reflects her creative magic in the studio. Nastassja's work spans reggae, pop, and innovative hybrids. She produced the title track for Beres Hammond's 2008 album A Moment in Time at just 21, showcasing her storytelling prowess through music that, like her father's, aims to connect emotionally. Her most notable contribution is with the Courtney John project, where she, alongside Courtney John and Stephen Lenky Marsden, pioneered roots-stronic, a fusion of roots reggae and EDM described as one part Kingston mashup, one part Euro-electronica. Their 2013 single, Black Cinderella, a reimagined take on Errol Dunkley's 1972 hit, blends warbling reverbs and dub beats, earning praise for its bold innovation, though some traditionalists questioned its departure from pure reggae. In a 2013 JamaicансMusic.com interview, Nastassja expressed excitement about reggae's evolution, citing collaborations like Damian Marley and Skrillex, Make It Bun Dem, as inspiration. "Genres are now merging to make something even more epic," she said, embracing modern technology's role in expanding reggae's boundaries. Her diverse discography includes work with artists like Nelly Furtado and Krisha Turner, reflecting her genre-less approach, as noted in a 2019 Jamaica Gleaner piece. Self-taught with only a year of formal music training, drums as her primary instrument, Nastassja's eclectic influences shape her unique sound. Fans on X have celebrated her as a trailblazer, though some debate the commercialization of reggae. To stay updated on Nastassja's projects and her role in reshaping reggae, subscribe to our YouTube channel for exclusive interviews, music breakdowns, and more. Her journey as a second-generation reggae innovator continues to inspire, blending tradition with fearless creativity.